if a plus b plus c is equal to pi, prove that sin a minus sin b plus sin c is equal to 4 sin a by 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2. So first of all, condition is given there, a plus b plus c by c is equal to pi, and we have to show 4 sin a by 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2. So first of all, we have to write on the condition here, a plus b plus c is equal to pi, then a plus b is equal to pi minus c, and after this we have to prove a by 2 b by 2 c by 2. We have to divide or multiply, it depends on RHS. In RHS here is a by 2 b by 2 c by 2, so we have to divide by 2 here. So dividing both side by 2, a by 2 plus b by 2 is equal to pi by 2, or you can write over pi means 90, 90 by pi means 180, 180 by 2 means 90. You can write down directly 90 also, c by 2. After doing this much, we have to take sine both side and cos both side to find out the values of sine a plus b by 2 cos a plus b by 2. So here a by 2 plus b by 2 is equal to sine pi by 2 minus c by 2. Now you can see here pi by 2 means 90, 90 means sine converted in the form of cos, and 90 minus c by 2 means first quadrant. In first quadrant, sine always positive. Every trigonometric ratio in positive in first quadrant. So we can write here cos c by 2. We have to write here cos. Pi by 2 means 90, 90 means change, sine converted in the form of cos, and 90 minus c by 2 means first quadrant positive, so we have to write on plus only. If negative, then only we have to write on minus. Now taking cos both side, cos a by 2 plus b by 2 is equal to cos pi by 2 minus c by 2. Look at here, taking cos both side. Now pi by 2 means 90, 90 means change, cos convert in the form of sine. Now 90 minus c by 2 means first quadrant. In first quadrant, cos positive, so we can write here c by 2. So the values of sine a by 2 plus b by 2 is equal to cos c by 2, and the value of cos a by 2 plus b by 2 is sine c by 2. Now taking LHS. LHS is sine A minus sine B plus sine C. Now you can see we can use here formula of sorry, sine C minus sine D formula we can use here, and the formula of sine C minus sine D is 2 cos C plus D by 2. Yes, 2 cos C plus D by 2 plus sine C minus D by 2. 2 cos C plus D by 2 sine C minus D by 2. Hope you knows formula of sine C minus sine D. 2 cos C plus D means A plus B by 2 sine C minus D, A minus B by 2, plus sine C formula we have to use 2 sine C by 2 cos C by 2. Formula of sine C minus sine D is 2 cos C plus D by 2 sine C minus D by 2. C means A, D means B. Okay. Now what is the value of cos A plus B by 2? Cos A plus B by 2 is sine C by 2. So 2 in the place of cos A plus B by 2 we can write here sine C by 2. Here sine A minus B by 2 plus, now we have to use formula of sine C, formula 2 sine C by 2 cos C by 2. Okay, now after this we have to take common, and the common is 2 sine C by 2. 2 sine C by 2 is the common. 2 sine C by 2 is common, and the remaining is, what is remaining here? Sine A minus B. Sine A minus B by 2 plus this side remaining cos C plus D, cos C by 2. Cos C by 2. Now we have to put the values of cos C by 2. 2 sine C by 2. Sine you can write in this form, A by 2 minus B by 2 plus cos C by 2. Value of cos C by 2, what is here? Sine A by 2 plus B by 2. Sine A by 2 plus B by 2. Now look at here properly. This is in the form of a formula sine a plus b plus sine a minus b. Formula of sine a plus b plus sine a minus b is 2 sine a cos b. I told you before also, while starting part 4 short question, I already provided you formula of sine a plus b plus sine a minus b is 2 sine a cos b. So we can write here 2 sine c by 2, and the formula of this 2 sine a by 2 cos b by 2. Formula of sine a plus b plus sine a minus b is 2 sine a cos b. In the place of a, what is here? A by 2, and in the place of b, what is here? B by 2. So just multiply now. 2 into 2, 4 sine a by 2 cos b by 2 and sine c by 2, which we have to prove. Sine a by 2 cos b by 2 sine c by 2, which is here RHS proof. Hope you understand this question.